Assalamu alaikum. I am Hunaina Basir, your science teacher. I hope you all are fine and happy. We have started online classes for you. Inshallah, it will be beneficial for you. Your cooperation is highly required. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start our new chapter, Lesson 5 Solids and Liquids. Reading. Solids are all around us. Solids are usually hard substances. They come in all shapes and forms. Examples are rock, chalk, sugar, wood, steel, etc. Solids have fixed shapes. It means most solids do not change shape easily. The wooden block shown in the picture will remain square. It cannot change shape on its own. The particles of solids are closely held together so they do not flow like water. Look at the melting ice cube. It is changing into water. Do you know why? Some solids can change shape upon heating, for example, a candle and butter. When we use heat, some solids can turn into liquid. Today I found out diamond is the hardest material in the world. Explanation. Now, what are solids and liquids? Solids and liquids are the form of matter. Now, what is matter? Anything that takes space and have mass is called matter. Okay, now how does a solid look like? Solids are usually hard substances like the cupboard. It is hard and its shape cannot change. Like a fan, AC, a chair, they all are solid things. Their shape cannot be changed. Their shape is fixed. Why they cannot change their shape? Because of the particles. The solid is made of the particles which are closely joined together. These particles help the solid to not move, to not change their shape. But there are some solids such as butter and candle that can change their shape when heat is given to them. Such as when we keep a butter on the stove and gives heat to it, it melts and starts going in the shape of oil. Also, candle will melt and finish. First, candle will be a solid, but when it receives heat, it becomes liquid. So, solids can only change their shape when it receives heating. But if we give heat to the wood, which is also a solid, it will not change its shape. It will get destroyed. It will get damaged. So only few things can change their shape upon heating. Shape and sizes of solids. Reading. Solids are of different shapes and sizes. Some solids are soft, such as cloth and wool. They can be hard, like rock. Some solids are small, like grains of sand. Some solids are big, such as mountains. Explanation. So we have different sizes and shapes of the solid. If we see in the picture, we have the picture of cloth and wool. Even they are not hard. They are very soft, but they are solids. So we have some solids that are very soft. But solids are hard as well, such as rock and mountains. They are very hard. We have wood, which is a solid, and it is a very hard solid. Some solids are very small, like sand, like sugar, like salt. They all are solids. So we have different types of solids: small, big, hard, little bit soft. Types of solid. Reading. Natural solids. Wood, sand, ice, and rock are natural solid materials. We get sand from rock, oceans and deserts, and wood from plants. Ice is frozen water. Polar regions are covered with ice. Man made solids. We use natural materials for making man made materials. Cement, glass, roads, concrete, plastic, bottles, cups, and bags are some examples of solid man made materials. We can make many new materials from natural materials. Explanation. So we have two types of solid. One is natural and another one is man-made. Now what is the natural solid? Natural solid is the solid which is original solid, which is given to us by Allah, and it is the first and original copy of the solid which no human can make, such as wood, ice, sand and rock. They are the natural solid material. And ice, what is an ice? Ice is a frozen water. Means we keep water in the deep freezer and it gets solid. It become ice cube. Okay, coming towards the man-made solid, it is the type of solid which is made by man from the natural solid. If there is no natural solid, we cannot make the man-made solid, because we make the man-made solid from the natural solid materials. For example, we make wood from the trees. We get wood from the trees, and from this wood we will make chair and other furniture items. Okay, and other things such as glass, concrete, roads, plastic bottles, tubs, and bags are all examples of the man-made material. We can only make them with the help of natural materials. What are liquids? Reading. Another state of matter is liquid. The most abundant liquid on earth is water. Look at the picture. The liquid has the same shape as the glass jars. Liquids do not have any specific shape. A liquid can take the shape of its container. Natural liquids. Some liquids exist naturally. Water, honey, and milk are natural liquids. We get water from rivers, milk from cows, goats, sheep, and camels. Honeybees make honey for us. Explanation. Now, as I have told you, liquids are the state of matter, and it is the state of matter that do not have any specific shape, like solid. For example, solid, if we say the table, so table have square shape. If we say cupboard, so it has a rectangular shape. But if we say water, which is a liquid, does water have any shape? No. If you pour water in a glass, it will take the shape of the glass. If you pour water in a jug, it will take the shape of the jug. If you pour water in a tub, then it will take its shape. So, liquid does not have any specific shape. It takes the shape of the container. So, the liquids are the one which do not have their own shape. Now, same as the solid, we have two types of liquids as well. First one is natural liquid. Now, as the name shows, natural liquids are the liquids that are given to us by the God, and they are the original liquids such as water, honey, and milk. No human can make them by their selves. Okay, now where we get these water, honey, and the milk? So we all know we get water from the rain, from the rivers, from the seas, and from the oceans. And in which form it comes to our home? In the taps. Milk, we can get the milk from the cows, buffaloes, camels, etc. And honey is made for us by the honey bee, which is a small insect. Man-made liquids. Reading, crude oil is a liquid that exists naturally deep under the earth. We take it out and purify it for our use. The refined form of crude oil is called petrol. So we can say petrol is a man-made liquid. Soft drinks are also man-made. They are made by adding different ingredients to them. Explanation. So we have another type of liquid called man-made. This is a liquid that is made by man. For example, soft drinks, they are man-made like Pepsi, Miranda's, Dew. Also different juices are man-made. And do you know petrol is also a man-made liquid? But how can we get it? We get petrol by a liquid called crude oil. And this crude oil is exists under the earth. And we take this oil, clean it so many times, and then get the petrol from it. So petrol is also a man-made liquid.